Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. I'm back with a mystery box unboxing. I purchased this Shabby Chic mystery box from Whimsy Barn Vintage on Etsy, and if you have seen my hauls, you know that I've recently unboxed her vintage mystery box and some of her ephemera kits that all were wonderful and did not disappoint. So if you'd like to check it out, check out my Etsy playlist. Now for this one, in the checkout area when you're about to put it on the cart, she gives you a chance to put clues or at least ideas of what types of items you're looking for. So some of the items that I did list was vintage sewing items, vintage lace, handkerchief, and so on. I don't really remember now what the rest were, but on top of my head, that's what I requested. So let's see what's in here. So this is her little thank you flyer and has some great information about her shop. Oh my goodness, guys, do you see that? I see some lace and some sewing items. So here is our first bag, and I see rickrack and some pearl buttons, it looks like. Let's have a look. Oh my goodness. I love this. This is really vintage. And we have this, it says 15 cents of the beige trim text. Look at that. That's really pretty, and this is rayon. I love that image. Again, this is beautiful. Thank you, Sandy. This is really great. And we have some seam tape in purple in the color Orchid. 3 yards for 60 cents. And it says 1972. Let's see if this one has a year. It does not. But that's really cool. That's our first set. The next one, I see lace. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I love it. Look at this. This is so pretty. Oh, I love it. This is exactly what I'm looking for, and I really love this. I want to add this to my journals. Look at this beautiful one here. That is really pretty. So far, so good. I love everything so far. Oh my gosh. The next one here says my name, and she does that. She packages everything so well, and it says to Clarissa from Whimsy Barn, and I see a handkerchief, a couple of them. Let's see what that looks like. Let me just take out the plastic. Here is our first one. Check out that beautiful, like lavender purple color. I love that it has some wear, which is awesome, and that's what I like about some of these vintage items. And then we have one more here. Let me just take it out of the bag. Oh wow, this is beautiful. It's really sheer and delicate. It has beautiful butterflies. Do you see that? Oh my gosh. Let me just move this beautiful handkerchief and just show it on the table. I hope you guys see that really beautiful detailed flowers, and I love the scallop edge. And this is a beautiful sheer. Look at that. That is so pretty. We'll put that there, and let's see what else we have in here. Oh my gosh. I saw something in there, but I'm just to unbox these wrapped ones first. Wow. Oh wow, what is this? Oh wow, look at this beautiful tray. I love it. That is really beautiful, and look at that gold on the side and the flower. That is gorgeous. Let's look at our next item. Look at the packaging here. I love this. Oh, wow. What are these? Oh, I love it. Farm animals, and they look like cookie molds or something. I'm not really sure, but that is really neat. Look at this one. That is adorable. Let's see what else is in here. Another wrapped package. And guys, you know, it takes a lot of work. If you guys do Happy Mail and prepare your goodies, you know, it takes a lot of effort and time to put everything together. So let's see what this is. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. See? Nice! I did say sewing, vintage sewing tools. So we have a ruler here that's really neat. And it says made in Spain. It's a dino marker. That's pretty awesome. And we have some pinking shears. And this is, I think you say Weiss. That's pretty cool. And it looks like it still could cut really well, but that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna put that over here because that's really delicate. Now let me see what else he has included. We have a few more items. Oh my gosh. Look at the paper. That's so cool. I love this. I am definitely going to put this in my, oh, that I love. I love it. I'm going to put in my junk journal. Looks like there are 2 items in here. And let me just put that there. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is so cool. There's so many items already. Oh my goodness. Look at this. So here's a little ceramic floral piece. It says made in China. How cute is that bowl? That is so pretty. Let's see what this other one is. Wow. Oh my gosh. What a beautiful pair. Look at those violets. I think they're violets. I'm not really sure. Correct me. And here is that side. That is just gorgeous. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys. Hold on. Let me just take off the plastic. Oh, that was beautifully wrapped with some plastic. But look at this. Embroidered placemat, or is it it's a runner. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Look at the flower and the lace, and I love the fabric as well. That's so cool. I don't know if you guys are seeing it, but it's really nice. I can see me, I'm gonna use this for my little, I have a table where I have my little teacups, and I'm gonna definitely use this. This is so pretty. So I love that. I'm gonna put it right here. It's not over yet, guys. Looks like I see one more item here at the bottom. Again, beautifully wrapped. And I can definitely reuse that bag for my junk journals. We have one more item. What a wonderful box. Oh my gosh. It's milk glass. This is from Avon, it says. How sweet. That is beautiful. And it has an angel. That is gorgeous. I love it. How sweet is that? Hope you guys enjoyed this Shabby Chic mystery box unboxing. I had so much fun. I really love the items that she included, and I'm excited to work on some new projects, so stay tuned for more project shares. Thanks again for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.